Belgard, known across the industry for setting the standard for landscape design ideas and innovation, has set the bar even higher with a brand new, completely revolutionary product. Introducing Mega Libre, our newest paving stone that is produced to look exactly like natural cut flagstone, but with many more advantages over natural stone. Perfect for walkways, patios, and plazas, Mega Libre has a consistent thickness and is lighter and more flexible than natural stone, making it quicker and easier to install. The irregularity of the edges, plus the ability to start at a 90-degree angle, provides the option for a natural-looking edge without cutting. And with more square footage per stone and fewer installation trips, installers can save both time and money. What makes Mega Libre so unique is the two-piece stone combination with various random false joints, which creates a large cluster. Since the two combined stone units have been engineered to fit together perfectly and form a couple of different clusters, they can be installed easily and without a detectable pattern. To speed up the installation, each layer of the pallet consists of 2 large and 2 small paving units that can be combined to form 4 different variations for maximum efficiency and a more random look. Next, we'll show you Mega Libre's 3 unique installation patterns and how they combine and interlock together. Level 1 is the stack bond. Take 1 large and 1 small paving unit off the pallet and combine them into a single stone cluster on the ground. Continue to line up each stone cluster side by side until you're finished with your row. To begin your next row, simply return to your starting point, drop down 1 row, and repeat these steps. Each row will line up perfectly. Level 2 is the running bond. Take 1 large and 1 small paving unit off the pallet and combine them into a single stone cluster on the ground. Continue placing each cluster side by side until your row is complete. To begin your next row, return to your starting point, drop down 1 row, and stagger your next stone cluster a half step to the right and continue until the row is finished. Continue to stagger every row until your project is complete. To ensure your layout is correct, rows 1, 3, 5, and so on will match, as well as rows 2, 4, 6, and so on. Level 3 is the random bond. Take 1 large and 1 small paving unit off the pallet and combine them into a single stone cluster on the ground. Take the next cluster, rotate it 120 degrees to the right, and place it next to the first cluster. Take the third cluster, rotate it 120 degrees to the left, and place it next to the second cluster. Continue randomly installing the clusters, some unrotated, some rotated 120 degrees to the right, and some rotated 120 degrees to the left until your row is complete. To begin your next row, form a new 2-stone cluster and continue the random rotation pattern until your project is finished. Once the pavers are interlocked into the pattern of your choice, continue with the installation exactly as you would with any other Belgard product. To learn how we can help make your projects easier and keep your budgets in line, please contact us at belgard.com/megalibre. We'd love to discuss how Mega Libre can meet your highest expectations.